lights went down.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an epic road trip from Bengaluru to the beautiful hill station of Sakleshpur. तो चलिए चलते हैं। तो हमने अपनी जर्नी अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही स्टार्ट कर दी थी। बेंगलुरु से सकलेशपुर का जो रास्ता है वो अराउंड 220 किलोमीटर्स है। इट्स अबाउट 4 to 5 hour drive, but let me tell you, the scenery along the way makes it feel like no time at all. So हमारा पहला स्टॉप है मंजराबाद फोर्ट। एक्चुअली यहाँ का जो ट्रैक है वो काफ़ी इजी है। यू कैन क्लाइम अप वेरी इजीली क्योंकि यहाँ पर सारे स्टेयर्स ही है, बट इट ऑफर्स सम ऑसम व्यूज अलोंग द वे। ये जो सीढ़ियाँ दिख रही है यहाँ से अभी हमको ऊपर जाना है। कॉफी टाइम। The fort was built by Tipu Sultan in 1792, and what makes it so special is its unique star-shaped design. टॉप से यहाँ आपको वेस्टर्न घाट्स का पूरा 360 डिग्री व्यू देखने को मिलता है। अभी आगे जाके देखते हैं और कितना दूर है। This fort was built as a defensive outpost, and it is said that Tipu Sultan designed it to resemble a star so it could better defend against attacks. It's a little piece of history sitting on top of a hill, and it's absolutely fascinating. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा स्टार इसका टूटा लग रहा है, बट ये स्टार शेप का फोर्ट है। Of course, कोई भी रोड ट्रिप खाने के बगैर पूरा नहीं होता है। So we found this amazing local spot for some authentic South Indian breakfast. हमने ऑर्डर किया था मसाला डोसा and a hot cup of filter coffee. After having delicious breakfast, now we are heading to Manjihalli waterfalls. The waterfall is located just 6 kilometers from Sakleshpur, so it's an easy and scenic drive.
इधर जा रहा है, मतलब इधर गिरेगा ना पानी।
And here it is, Manjahali Waterfalls, also known as Abbey Falls. This place is not just about the visuals, it's the sound of water rushing down, the cool mist in the air, and the peaceful atmosphere that really makes it feel like a hidden paradise. If you are looking to escape the city and reconnect with nature, this is the perfect spot to just unwind, take a dip in the cool waters, and let the sound of the waterfall wash away all your stress. The best part about Manjeli waterfalls is how untouched and serene the entire area feels. Surrounded by coffee plantations and dense forest, it is a perfect escape into nature. Now we are heading to a stunning बिस्ले व्यू पॉइंट. सो ये बिस्ले व्यू पॉइंट जो है अबाउट 40 किलोमीटर्स है सकलेशपुर से. फ़िलहाल तो मैं मेरे चॉकलेट एंजॉय कर रही हूँ. Welcome to Bisley View Point. From here, you get an uninterrupted view of the Western Ghats where the mountain ranges of the Pushpagiri, Kumara Parvat and Doda Beta converge. On a clear day, the views are absolutely breathtaking, but even with a little mist, it feels like you are standing in the clouds. There is something so calming about being surrounded by this kind of untouched beauty. You can just sit here, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and take in the stunning view. After soaking in the beauty of Bisley, we are now headed to the Sri Chennakeshwar Swami Temple in Bellur, an iconic piece of Karnataka's history. The temple is about an hour and a half from Bisley Viewpoint, and it is a must-see for anyone who loves ancient architecture. This temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, was built in the 12th century during the reign of the Hoysala dynasty. The moment you step in, the intricate carvings and majestic architecture will leave you speechless. Sri Chennakeshwar Swami Temple is one of the finest examples of Hoysala architecture. The attention to detail here is insane. Every inch of the temple is carved with scenes from Hindu mythology, nature, and even day-to-day life from that era. These carvings tell stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the Purans. What's amazing is the precision and artistry involved in creating these sculptures nearly 1,000 years ago. After a day filled with exploring natural wonders and diving deep into Karnataka's rich history, Sakleshpur has once again proven to be the perfect destination for both adventure and tranquility. for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures. Let me know in the comments if you have visited these spots or if they are on your bucket list. Until next time, keep exploring.